I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone is up to date and that the app you plan to use supports side-by-side viewing. Safari often offers the most reliable option. Once done, close other apps so switching is smooth and open Safari. Next, load the first page, then open the second link in a new tab. This prepares both pages. I'm walking you through Safari because it provides the clearest split workflow. Make sure both tabs are ready before moving on to. Now arrange those two tabs into a split. Tap and hold the tab icon or a link until the contextual menu appears, then pick the option that opens it in split view, if your iPhone model or Safari build supports it. Once both pages appear, drag the vertical divider to resize each panel. That gives you the exact layout you need. You can scroll, select text, and tap links in each side separately, so treat them like two active windows while you work. To finish, close one of the split panes or return to Tab Overview to merge them back into a single tab. This ends the split cleanly. If you don't see split options, make sure iOS and Safari are updated. Some iPhones don't support native split, so a reputable third-party browser or an app with built-in side-by-side mode is a good fallback. If panels freeze, force close Safari or reboot the phone, then reopen your tabs and try the split again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.